And coach dyan,
Ako, di ako nagsiset ng cut-loss kasi nasunog ko yung account ko. Joke lang. Joke lang. Para yung mga bashers tuwa. Hindi, ako, regarding cut loss, depends on my goal. I'll go back to the goal. Like, what is the goal of the account? Focus on risk-reward ratio. Focus on managing drawdowns. So, kung scalping perspective, I go for the RR. At least, risk-reward 1:1 or 1:2. Example, on a 10K USD, I set a $50 risk. Dapat, at least mga $60 man lang ako doon o $100 on a single trade pag pinindot ko yung buy or sell order. Siyempre, with the gold indicator, ang dami kasi pwedeng paglagyan din. May support, sell level, ang dami na eh. Dapat, tataas na yung win rate mo. Then for the TP, at least 60 pips, 100 pips on a secondary trade, maganda. So, yun yung sa akin when it comes to using this one. Problema ko ngayon, di rin ako maka-trade ng scalping. Yun yung isa kong problem.
kailangan
Panay
tutok
swing.
talaga eh, no? Guys, tutok talaga to. As
Scalping,
in,
wala na siya sa profile ko.